In this guide, we will explore essential details about the 2022 Kia Rio Fuse Box. Where can you locate the fuse box in your vehicle? And how do you interpret the fuse box diagram? What are the different fuse functions and their corresponding locations? Find answers to these questions and more as we navigate through the fuse box diagram and its components. Driver's side fuse panel. The driver's side fuse panel in the 2022 Kia Rio houses essential fuses for interior electrical components, such as power windows, headlights, and the audio system. It provides easy access for fuse replacement. The panel also includes labels for quick identification of fuse functions and amperage. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse panel in the 2022 Kia Rio contains high amperage fuses and relays for critical systems like the engine, ignition, and cooling fan. It offers robust protection for major electrical components. The panel is clearly labeled for easy identification and troubleshooting during maintenance.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.